Get it, Tess. Get it. Get it, Amy. Get it. Arr, arr. Get it, Amy. Get it, Amy.
Daddy, just not want to get in the pool. Mommy wants to drink it. Why is she doing that? That she's like, that she's down for the rock. That she wants the rock, baby. That she wants the rock.
She found it.
Yeah, but she's not able to get it.
She'll get it. Get the rock, Tess. Get the rock. Yes.